friends, running kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. We have a Walgreens free haul, or very, very cheap with the Gain dryer sheets using that weird $4 P&G coupon. We're going to talk about that. I know a lot of you are getting turned around with that coupon. Before we dive into all these deals, guys, if you could take a quick second and like this video right now, I would be so grateful. If you could just take a quick second and like this video, I would be so grateful. Let's get this video to 1,000 likes. What we're going to talk about is Dove. I know a lot of you scored big. There was a rebate that showed up on the Fetch Rewards app starting on the 24th, which is Monday, right till the 28th. A lot of you were saying that you were able to find it today, but the rebate was set for the 25th. So double, triple check when your rebate was set, because it just makes this body wash completely for free, which is awesome. Okay, so hopping into another deal that I think most of you can do. I didn't have this rebate yesterday, but it showed up this morning, which is 1,500 points on the Dove bar soap, 4 count or larger. The men's is not part of it, so just grab the white packaging bar soap. And it's valid from the 24th to the 28th. I didn't have it yesterday. I had to fiddle and mess around, and then I saw it on my discoveries page towards the bottom. That's how I'm finding all of these, not by typing it in, but that's how I found it. So these are $9 this week for these larger packs of the 6 count bar soap. So we're going to grab 2 of them for $18. Now, this coupon you could load a couple weeks back. It's a 5 off 2. So if you use your 7 off 2 and you still want to get in on this bar soap goodness, this is your opportunity. The $5 is attaching with the bar soap. Buy 2, get $4 of Walgreens cash. Boom. And then here is the fine print. As you could see in that deck, the men's is not included, and you're going to get 3,000 points for buying the 2 with Fetch Rewards app. So grabbing 2 of these, that's 18 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay 13. Get $4 back in Walgreens cash. Take a quick photo to the Fetch Rewards app for another 3,000 points. The final price point here is $6 for the 2 or $3 for a 6-pack of bar soap. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're not doing this in concert with a booster. But I would definitely do this deal if you love bar soap. It's just a quick meat and potato deals. I know that, like my in-laws, for example, they are all about the bar soap life. They do not like the liquid body wash. They prefer bar soap. So, like, if you have somebody like that too that's all about the bar soap, this is a superb deal. In case you missed it, let's just jog through this deal again. To grab 2 of these Dove body washes for $14, load this digital coupon, and this is the Fetch Rewards rebate, 1,500 points for each of those body washes. It cannot be men. It has to be this white capped one. Through the math one more time, 2 of those body washes is 14 on the nose. Subtracting that digital, you're going to pay 7. Get back $4 in Walgreens cash, 3,000 points from the Fetch Rewards app, shaking this out to free. And if you wish to use Walgreens cash, you're doing this without a booster, absolutely go for it. Answer one quick question. If you wanted to grab the 2 liquid body washes and 2 bar soaps and just kind of Frankenstein the 2 deals together, you would have to make sure that you have both of the Fetch Rewards rebates, 1,500 points back for the body wash, 1,500 points back for the liquid body wash as well. And you would get $6 back from Fetch, and then for $8 back in Walgreens cash for doing both the bar soap and the liquid body wash. So just to answer that quick question, and if you're doing it without a booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to pay. I do read through most of the comments, and if you bought your body wash on the 24th, which is Monday, and you just absolutely can't see your points, that you didn't get rewarded the right amount of points, go to the top of the app where it says Discoveries and see where it says 14,716. You would press that to see all of your transactions. So just take your finger, take a quick press, and then what you're going to do is look for your Walgreens receipt. It should be the top one. So say you were only awarded 25 points. That's not how it works, especially if you bought these on the 24th. As per the rebate, you should get it. So what you're going to do to correct your receipt, I obviously got it, so I can't make a correction, but you go to the very bottom and see where it says correct receipt. That's where you're going to type in, like, I didn't get my full 3,000 points and it's in the app. Where is it? Press that box, correct receipt, and they should get back to you within 24 hours. It's usually within 2 or 3 hours they usually correct the receipts. Don't be shy to do it. If you have the rebate in your gallery of 1,500 points back for Dove, make sure to message them to get your points back. Very quickly, I'm going to show you what I did. I had this booster on one store card of $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25, so I got a $25 basket rockin' and rollin' for me. So I got 2 of the Dove body washes and then 2 of the Bulldog shave products at $7.79, I believe. A whole host of products that are tagged $4 of Walgreens cash when you buy 2. It's not only the shave cream, there's also a face wash, body wash. This is the digital coupon that you're going to load, which is a 7 off of 2. Along with my 7 off of 2 for the Dove, I need to load that as well. So what I did was I had 4 items. I got the cashier to scan every single one because I also wanted to utilize 2 manufacturer register rewards. If you look at the top, it says manufacturer. Thus, I could use 2 of these. But the cashier must scan every single item for my 2 $7 coupons to come off. Looking at the math, 2 Bulldogs for $11.68 on a BOGO 50% off. 2 Dove body washes for $14 for a grand total of $25.68. Had my booster loaded, $6 of Walgreens cash when you spend $25. I believe that's expiring on Wednesday, so use it ASAP. $14 in digitals coming off, 7 for Bulldog, 7 for Dove, along with my $4 of manufacturer register rewards. I paid $7.68 plus tax, got back $14 in Walgreens cash. 8 for the 2 different products, giving back Walgreens cash, and then 6 for my booster, and then 3,000 points back from Fetch, making this free plus a $1.32 moneymaker, not factoring in the $4 of register rewards that I threw into this. As I used a booster, do not use any Walgreens cash in concert with this deal, but how fantastic is it? Now this little coupon, a lot of you just can't get it to scan at your store. So this is a $4 off of a P&G product. And even though a lot of the products in the photo are HBA, it's working with anything with a P&G logo on it. This week, the Gain products are 4 for $16. Look if you might have any digital coupons as well. So what I did was something very easy. I grabbed 4 dryer sheets. Why not? So 4 of them is 16 on the nose. I presented that $4 P&G coupon. It scanned at the till. I also threw in $10 in Walgreens cash. I paid $2. Again, if you have digital coupons to go with this, it's so much better. And I wasn't using a booster in concert with this deal. So yes, I could use Walgreens cash to get some very cheap dryer sheets. Now that $4 register reward is kind of strange because there's not a lot of items in the P&G line that are $4, but we have some stuff on clearance like this little 2-pack of the Febreze. Yes, it would scan for that product because it is in fact a P&G. And how to tell if it's a P&G product, yay or nay, is to actually flip it and look. Like see how this says png.com? That is a P&G product, so it should attach. Other cheap items would include like dish products like the Dawn Power Wash. That should work as well. And then the Cascade, I believe this week is $5.49, so you'd pay $1 and some change. But if you have a bunch of these that are expiring, I mean, definitely use them. I got them to work, no problems, no issues with the Gain this week, but I know these other products, because they are from the P&G family, like this, for example, it would be 99 cents. So hopefully that was helpful. Guys, so on Monday the 24th, both Walmart and Big Lots hit 90% off of their Easter merchandise. Now, at my local Walmart, they actually packed up most of the stuff, pulled it right off the floor, but there were a couple displays of some Easter stuff left over at 90%. I didn't want these egg decorating kits because they would probably dry out between now and next Easter, but look high and low, but I know a lot of stores, they're just like removing everything off the floor. Oh, the counterpart of that is Big Lots, and I know, like, Big Lots, who shops there? But that's the good point if nobody shops there, because their Easter stuff was 90%. It was merchandised beautifully at a table in front of the store, and I got this whole cart for like $5. So I thought we would just go through it. I got this gorgeous fabric table runner, so it kind of dresses things up for Easter for 99 cents. The original price was $9.99. And I went on Monday afternoon towards the end of the day and found all of this, guys. So yeah, be on the lookout for that. This little 3-pack of these cute bunny bags for 29 cents, along with these hair accessories, perfect for Easter as well for 29 cents. So after this little haul and the couple things I got at Walgreens, the Easter baskets they're already done. I mean, I need to get a couple pieces of candy, but they're ready for next year, and I did it on a super uber budget. 29 cents for this little 5-pack. How stinking adorable. And then what's always a big hit with the kids in our family are these little coloring packs for 49 cents. You got the Peeps and the Care Bears. I mean, so perfect. And there was exactly 4 left, so this was definitely meant to be. And I know they're absolutely going to love these like coloring craft things. And then also this mess-free marker is also a really big hit, and this guy was 29 cents, and there was exactly 4, so this was really meant to be for me. So I grabbed all of them for Easter baskets for next year, and they're going to absolutely love those because, I mean, why not? And then this little fidget toy was 25 cents. So the original price was $2.49. I paid 25 cents. So I got 4 of those as well. So that's it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.